Have you ever wondered how companies capture your attention and make you want to buy their products or services? This is not by accident, but rather through a proven framework called the AIDA model. In this video, I will explain what the AIDA is, how it works, and give you real-life examples of its effectiveness. Imagine you're scrolling through your Instagram feed and you see an ad for a new skincare product. Within seconds, you're intrigued, and before you know it, you've clicked on the ad and added the product to your cart. How did this happen? Well, it's all thanks to the AIDA model. AIDA stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. It's a marketing framework that outlines the journey a customer goes through before making a purchase. So let's break it down. We're going to look at each stage. Attention. The first stage is attention. At this stage, the goal is to grab the customer's attention and make them aware of your product or service. This can be achieved through eye-catching visuals, bold headlines, and engaging videos. For example, think of the classic Old Spice commercial where the actor says, "Hello, ladies," and proceeds to take you on a wild ride of absurdity. It grabs your attention and you remember the product. The next phase, interest. This is the next stage. Once you have the customer's attention, you need to keep it by providing valuable information about your product or service. This can be in the form of features and benefits or how it solves a problem the customers have. For example, if you're selling weight loss program, you might highlight the program's success stories and before and after photos. Desire. The next stage is desire. At this stage, the goal is to create a desire for your product or service in the customer's mind. This can be achieved by creating a sense of urgency, limited time offers, or by showcasing how your product or service can improve the customer's life. For example, a car company might create a limited time offer for a new model to create a sense of urgency. Action. The final stage is action. This is where the customer makes a purchase. To ensure that the customer takes action, you need to provide a clear call to action, such as buy now or sign up today. This call to action should be easy to find and straightforward. For example, an e-commerce website might have a prominent Add to Cart button, much bigger than everything else. In conclusion, the AIDA model is a powerful framework that can help you capture your customer's attention, generate interest, create desire, and ultimately drive action. By understanding the AIDA model, you can create effective marketing campaigns that lead to increased sales and customer satisfaction.